Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute cartoon hamster step by step. To begin with, I'm going to take a 6H pencil, or whichever pencil you have. It can be just a regular pencil. And I'm going to start by drawing an oval because this hamster is round like an oval. And it has to look kind of fat to make it look cute and cartoony. So I'm just going to draw the oval in the center of my page. You can draw it anywhere. And I'm going to make it look make it very round. So I can draw one side and make it very round. And if you have trouble drawing the other side, all you can do is take a piece of tracing paper, copy that side, and then you can press it down hard on your paper, very hard, so then it kind of shows up as a small print. So I'm just going to continue drawing the oval. So right now it can look like the head of a person, but then I'm going to add a few smaller details that will make it look more flattened out. So now that I've gotten the hamster's whole body, I can draw. I can get my ruler and I can draw a table line very lightly, like this. And then I can also make the inside line darker. So it looks like that. My table line might not show, but I'm making it very light. So in the end, I can go over the table line. So it should look like that. So I can erase the bottom. And then now I'm going to add the legs, or the small little feet. So there's going to be one small oval, a very thin oval, to make it look cute, like that. And then the same thing on the other side, just to make it look very cute and very funny. So I'm going to draw. I'm just going to draw ovals for now, and then once I'm done with the basic shapes, I can go back and change to make it look more realistic. So now I'm going to add a small curve right here that kind of goes from halfway in the body to the bottom of the body. And then I'm going to take a curve up, like that. Also, I can add one curve that goes up, another curve. This time it's a smaller curve, and then a big curve that curves all the way down to the feet. Kind of from here, and it goes up here. So the first curve starts here, and then the second curve curves into the third curve. The hamster is going to be really fat, and it's going to be eating a cookie. And so for the cookie, I'm going to draw a circle, but not at this moment. So now I can curve this part. So this is not exactly realistic, but it's only like base of what I'm going to do. So if it's too big or too small, you can change it whenever you want. That's only a base to start from. So I'm just going to curve this in a bit, just like this, and then curve it up. And I'm going to make this actually smaller, following the same line as the base. To make it just look like that line next to it. So I can erase the line next to it. So then it looks like that. Then I can add the lines between the legs. Then I can add the ear. The first ear is just going to be a small curve. The second ear is going to be second ear is going to be another curve, but just a little bit bigger. So just like this, and then I am going to add a line where the eyes are going to be, a line where the nose is going to be, where the bottom of the nose. So I can draw that nose in as soon as I draw another line for the middle base where the nose is going to be. So right here is where the nose would begin, and then I'm going to draw a small line. That's a baseline, and then I'm going to, from that line, I'm going to draw two curves. Like that, to make it look very cute and funny. Then I can draw the eyes. So I'm going to add a highlight in the eyes. And I'm also going to add a small curve to show the cheeks. That, and then I'm going to draw the other curve on the other side. And I'm also going to draw the other eye on the other side of the nose. Just like this. And the reason I'm drawing this hamster is because one of my viewers requested it, and I decided I would draw it for that person. And I hope the person who requested it would really enjoy this video. So now that I'm done drawing the eyes, I am going to add the small marks, and then I'm going to add and I'm going to add the cookie and the paws and all the other stuff. So I'm going to start from where that baseline was, curve over the nose, curve back down, and then I'm going to curve up and in to the side. Kind of looks like Superman, but once I color it, it won't look like Superman so much anymore. So then I'm going to add one curve and another curve like that on the side. Then I can add the cookie. So the cookie is going to be a round circle that connects into the mouth. And so that's all I'm going to do for the cookie right now. And once I'm done, I can add the small little markings to the cookie. So now I can add the paws. I can erase two small gaps for the paws because the hamster is holding the cookie. So I'm going to add one line in there and another line for the toes, like that. And then I'm going to add one toe line, another toe line, and another toe line. Then I can make this smaller. this. And I can do the same thing to the other side. So I can add one to one, another to one, and another to one. And I'm going to make this a bit smaller. Just like that. And then I'm going to add the curve for the ear because the ear is going to be pink. And I can add another curve inside for the inside of the ear. Now I'm going to add the small markings in the cookie, which are just going to be a few circles like that. And then I'm going to erase all the base lines and all the lines I drew. I'm just going to erase all of these lines. And then I should be ready to color. Just add any small important details, like you can add curves, so you know that you can color where you color the feet and the paws. And I guess I can start coloring. So before I begin coloring, I am going to show you what colors I'll need. So I will need 2 cream colors, 1 apricot and 1 peaches and cream. They're both very similar, except the apricot is a bit darker. So these are kind of like pinky colors. And I'm going to use these for the hamster's fur, which is going to be kind of orange with a hint of creamish color. And then I'm going to get this small orange color, a pumpkin orange, so I can also do the fur markings on the hamster. And then I'm going to have 3 pinks for the feet, the ears, and the paws. And 1 pink's a dull pink, and these 2 are bright pinks. And I'm going to blend those 2 pinks together. I'm going to take a gray color for the outline of the hamster and also for the eyes. And then I'm going to take a tan and a brown color. And tan and the brown color. So the tan is going to be to blend the cookie and also to blend the fur. And the brown color is going to be for the spots on the cookie. And last, I'm going to use the white for the white fur on the hamster. So now I will begin coloring, and I'm going to speed up the coloring, so you can pause the video once I have finished coloring, and you can color your hamster as well. So now I will begin. So now I have finished coloring this cute hamster. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye!